Switzerland has 150 military aircrafts. Philippines has 188 military aircrafts. Qatar has 198 military aircrafts. Bangladesh has 204 military aircrafts. Sweden has 205 military aircrafts. Vietnam has 223 military aircrafts. South Africa has 226 military aircrafts. Argentina has 228 military aircrafts. Singapore has 248 military aircrafts. Morocco has 250 military aircrafts. Myanmar has 280 military aircrafts. Chile has 289 military aircrafts. Ukraine has 312 military aircrafts. Australia has 353 military aircrafts. Iraq has 361 military aircrafts. Canada has 376 military aircrafts. Syria has 453 military aircrafts. Poland has 459 military aircrafts. Colombia has 465 military aircrafts. Indonesia has 466 military aircrafts. Mexico has 468 military aircraft. Thailand has 488 military aircraft. Spain has 517 military aircraft. Iran has 541 military aircraft. Algeria has 547 military aircraft. UAE has 565 military aircraft. Israel has 601 military aircraft. Germany has 601 military aircraft. Greece has 635 military aircraft. UK has 663 military aircraft. Brazil has 665 military aircraft. Taiwan has 737 military aircraft. Italy has 850 military aircraft. Saudi Arabia has 897 military aircraft. North Korea has 947 military aircraft. France has 1K military aircraft. Turkey has 1K military aircraft. Egypt has 1K military aircraft. Pakistan has 1.4K military aircrafts. Japan has 1.4K military aircrafts. South Korea has 1.6K military aircrafts. India has 2.2K military aircrafts. China has 3.1K military aircrafts. Russia has 4.1K military aircrafts. United States have 13K military aircrafts.